And now we have Andrew Collins backing him down. Andrew Mitty, bang! Andrew starts it off. I saw him yesterday. He was a cool guy.
Theoretically, if I come in coach's butt.
Oh my goodness! Andrew Collins, welcome back. Andrew spin moves, and it's bank. What's he doing? Oh! Andrew Collins, the jam, 9-10. Andrew, turn the Andrew missed it. Andrew still gets in, literally dunks it without jumping. Jake's open. And a steal by Addison. He has to take it back. Oh, what a nasty move. And the points for Pool. Come on. One of AJ and Dimitri, obviously number one. Because they're just... Andrew, three-pointer. No good. Oh, Andrew comes out of nowhere. Andrew using Addison. Dude, like, bro, Andrew, just jam it, bro. There. Missed it. Andrew still gets the rebound. And gets it up. Andrew mid-range. Cashes it home.
It's just Andrew versus the ball. Switch!
Andrew.
Oh, Andrew, jam it home. 10 seconds on shot clock. Andrew ties the game. Andrew ties the game again.
Almost a travel. Almost.
Andrew. Andrew for the tie. And it's good.
Tie game.
Tie. Andrew. No good, Andrew. Oh, Andrew takes the lead. Oh, it's a flagrant. How do you feel? You had a great performance today, and you got and your first win, playoff win in the summer league. How do you feel?
Feel pretty good. I don't know. It's always good to win.
Congrats, 39 points too. And Addison, you had 5 points. Good job. And next game, you go away to Philadelphia. When?
Oh no.
Yeah, and you have to But yeah, good luck to you next game.